Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials. And in this video, finally you will get the free source code of the HD Wallpapers app. So let me tell you how to use this app source code and where you will find our application source code. So I had recently uploaded my source code in GitHub, so you can check this. Around 17 minutes ago only I had uploaded it to a GitHub. So first of all, you have to click the link in the given in the description and comment section, and tell me how you will use the source code in the comment section. So first you have to click on that link and you will be redirected to this page. So here first you will download the zip file. So here you can download the zip file. So it will automatically download a zip file. So after it completes, so you have to open it. So here I had written uh, so here you can see that our application source code is here. So app source main. Then in Java folder we have all the Java files in HD. So as I had made the package name, so you will find all these things. So I am going to say you this is the complete source code, but you have to make some changes to get the application live. So the changes I am going to tell you. So first click on app and then source main, then HD wallpapers Java, and then here in categories first you have to create a Pixabay API, so pixabay.com, and here you have to first create your account. So here I am going to log out first, and then I am going to create a new account for you. So here is join button, and here I am going to write my username, that will be Android tutorials YT, and email ID will be here, and password will be this. Okay, then join. So when you join, it is saying this email ID is already in use because I had made one account from this. So you have to make one new account and then logging to it. So here I am logging. So after you log in, so it will take some time. So let me choose my other account. So here I am choosing my this account. Okay, social logging fail. So anyhow you have to first log in, then you have to create one Pixabay account. So after you create a Pixabay account, you will find this explore option, and here you will find API. So when you log in or log out, so when you sign in that, you will find one API key. So here when you will click get started, so you will find your API key here. So here it is saying please log in or sign up to see your API key. So here you have to generate your API key. Then in our all the categories, you have to just type all that categories. So you replace your API key with the given API key from here to here. So you will start generating, and if you want to change the categories, for example this is for beach activity. So if you want to change from beach to rose, then after q you have to write whatever you want. So here you will write that, and then all thing is ready to go. So if you had taken this source code and then tell me what you are going to do with this source code. So thanks for watching this small Android tutorials series of HD wallpapers. This is for reference purpose only, because when you follow this complete series then you will miss some code or you will generate some error. So for reference purpose you can use this code. So thanks for watching Android tutorials.